back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can reverse, freeze, I think rotate and mirror like scenes in CapCut PC. So this is on their like latest update. I'm just going to choose this video. So I want to like freeze it here, for instance, before that part. So I'm just going to press this. It is usually here, but they have moved it here. So there are 4 options there. If you can't see where it is, press freeze, and it's going to basically freeze your video. And then here you can mirror the video. You can also rotate the video if you'd like to. Here, I don't know why I'm so lagging. But yeah, that is where the like buttons are. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.